A very good morning to everyone. We are going to study stack implementation in this video. Let's begin without any delay. Stack is a linear data structure that has a rule last in first out. So now let's start the coding part. Let's make a empty stack. stk equals to a list. It's an empty stack. Empty stack. Let's make a top variable stk. Let's make a top variable equals to 0. Making a top variable is very important in stack coding. It's mandatory. So let's define a push function. Push. Now let's, for the while loop, let's take a variable ch equals to yes. That indicates while ch equals to y. Now let's append the value into the list. stk stack dot append. Append is a function that's at the appended element at the end of the list. Int input enter element. Let's close all the brackets. Now let's take the global top variable. Global top. Now let's top equals to plus minus 1, as we have entered element into the stack, so we need to append 1, append the top variable by 1. So let's here also give a message stack pushed successfully, pushed successfully, printed a message. Now let's take a question for continuing our while loop. Input, do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? Okay, our push operation coding is done. Now let's go and see the coding for pop operation. Def pop. Now let's take the global top variable, global top. Now let's check the stack is underflow or not, and this is a very important part of our coding for pop function, and it's necessary and carries 1 mark according to your marking scheme of the term to examination that has been given by board. So if top equals to 0, print the stack is underflow. The stack is underflow. Now else popped element, else print popped element, print popped element. stk dot pop is a function that removes the last element of the element that is in last position of the list. as we have taken out a element, so let's decrement or -1 from the top value, sorry, top. So now let's see the show function as our coding for pop operation is done. Now let's, for show function also the first few statements are same. Let's define a show user defined function show. These statements are very important and it is same in both pop and show coding. So let's write it as it is here also. Now else print remember whenever we show the element of a element of a stack, we represent it in a reverse order. So for representing it in reverse order, we write for I in stk, we do reverse slicing. -1 is the negative step value, so print I, and it's done. It's so easy. You can see the entire coding once again. See,